कोकण रेल्वेन तिकेट तपासणी मोहीम खर केल्या. तिकेट नासतना प्रवास करपी प्रवाशांचेर खर कारवाय करपाचें धोरण आपणायला. कोकण रेल्वे मार्गाचेर तिकेट तपासणी मोहीम वाडयल्या. फाटल्या नोव्हेंबर म्हयन्यांत 1070 खासा तिकेट तपासणी मोहीम जाल्यो. ह्या मोहिमेंत 42,965 अनधिकृत आणि अनियमित प्रवाशां कडल्यान वट्ट 2.33 कोटी दंड वसूल केला. जानेवारी ते नोव्हेंबर ह्या 11 म्हयन्याच्या काळात 7,483 खासा तपासणी मोहीम जाल्यो. हातूंत 2,90,786 तिकेट नासतना प्रवास करपी प्रवाशां कडल्यान वट्ट 17.83 कोटीचो दंड वसूल केला, अशी माहिती कोकण रेल्वेचे प्रादेशीक व्यवस्थापक बबन घाटगे हांणी दिल्या. रेल्वेत प्रवास करच्या पयलीं कायदेशीर तिकेट घेवन प्रवास करात, अशें आवाहन घाटगे हांणी केलें.
In order to curb illegal and unauthorized travelers, Konkan Railway has continued its special ticket checking drives in the running trains or at the stations. In the November 2025 itself, more than 1,000, exact number to say it was 1,070 drives were conducted. These were special ticket checking drives, and these were conducted at the station, also on the running trains. And 42,965 illegal unauthorized travelers were detected during these drives. And an amount of rupees 2.33 crores was collected towards penalty and fine towards illegal unauthorized travel. If you say from January till November 25, totally 7,483 drives were conducted, wherein 2,90,786 illegal unauthorized passengers were detected. And till date, from January 1st, rupees 17.83 crores has been collected by Konkan Railway towards penalty and fine from these unauthorized travelers. Konkan Railway requests all the travelling passengers to buy proper valid journey ticket. If you are entering at the station, buy a proper platform ticket, and then only you enter the station. And while performing journey, you should have a valid ticket with you for your safe travel and enjoyable travel.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर रिपोर्टर गौरांग प्रभू मळकर्णेकार.